The auto sector has long been a vibrant pillar of India's manufacturing industry, thanks to its immense size and consistent growth over the years. However, the current financial year has been relatively sluggish for the sector. A combination of lower demand in both domestic and international markets, coupled with higher commodity prices driven by global uncertainties, has slowed its momentum. As the union budget approaches, auto manufacturers are calling for tax concessions and incentives to make their products more competitively priced and to reignite growth in the sector.
The two-wheeler is a mass market product, uh, predominantly bought by the middle class and the lower middle class. It is for average common citizen of our country for their daily commute, and being taxed at 28% at a not the highest, but at a higher slab, we would anticipate that the government takes cognizance. Our industry has been making representations to this effect for a while now, and we hope that some cognizance is taken and some relaxation is given, more from the standpoint of affordability of a common masses.
As the world shifts its focus towards sustainability, electric vehicles have the potential to drive new engines of growth for the auto sector. EV manufacturers are seeking the continuation of incentives and a favorable tax regime, including the current 5% GST rate. They are also urging the government to support the development of a robust charging infrastructure across the country, which is essential for accelerating EV adoption.
I have two expectations from the EVs. The firstly that we have 5% GST on EVs. It should continue for a long term because EV penetration is still less than about 2%, which is not much. And if you want to achieve the 30% which Government of India has given a target for, I think we need the support, this support for a longer duration. That is number one. Number two, we need a lot of support on the charging infrastructure because that's one of the reasons why EVs are not growing at the pace that we expected it to. So that is the second expectation.
Some automakers have expressed satisfaction with the government's policies on electrification in the auto sector and are hoping for the continuation of such initiatives to sustain progress and drive further innovation.
The government has been very supportive of the electrification and therefore the sustainability transition, and not just the budget, but I think through the year there have been a lot of intervention from the government, whether it is the FAME incentives, whether the production link incentive, which is more of production side, whereas FAME is demand side. Now we have the PM e-bus seva. We also have the PM e-drive in the works. So I think there is a lot of work which is happening, which we are looking forward to.
India's auto industry ranks as the third largest in the world in terms of sales and is among the top 15 exporters globally. Currently, the passenger vehicle market is growing at a rate of approximately 5%, lagging behind the country's GDP growth rate of 7%. The industry is looking to the government for support to bridge this gap and accelerate growth.